Get your pen and paper. Today we're going to draw Gitte, my mom's channel. That's the best channel. Now we're going to do that. A big oval and then a little circle inside it. And brown for the eyebrows. Make sure to subscribe. Thumbs up. And now we're going to do a little triangle in the end of her head and the other end. That's going to be her hair. And now, let's see, we're going to make a little line to show that it's a bit of her hair. Okay, we're going to color little lines. They make it bigger, and then smaller. That's going to be more of her hair. Now we're going to color her face beige. Of course, everybody's face is beige, but some people can be brown or black, or like other colors, black, brown, or beige, like we're doing Gitte. Okay, we're getting gray for the nose to a U, and then like a line, and then a smiley face, and then a tongue sticking out. We're getting green. Just do a line from her head to the other side of her, and then do like a line, and then do a line, and lots of wiggly worms, and now we're coloring it in. This is her dress we're coloring in green. Okay, we're doing the neck with beige. It's sort of like a triangle from her dress to her head. Let's see, we're going to draw an arm from the line we did, and then sort of do a hand with 5 fingers, a thumb, and 4 more fingers that are not a thumb, because we can't have 2 thumbs unless it's in the other arm. Now we're doing another arm. This is like a robot. She'll soon look like better once we finish. You can find Gitte on Gitte TV, where she has activities, quizzes, and lots of stories. We're coloring in the arms beige. If we haven't finished the arms, it's okay. You can just pause the video. But we're doing rectangles from her dress all the way down. Well, not down to the paper. We'll leave a little gap for the shoes. Color them beige. We're coloring her eyebrows because my brown wasn't perfectly seen. We're going to do shoes. They're like little circles. And now now let's see, we're colouring a little bit blue for her book she's holding. That's why she looks like a robot. She always gives book because if she doesn't have book, I need to read books. Now we're going to do little hair bubbles. So to like and subscribe because for mommy and daddy and your teacher. Bye! Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.